Can you use Apple gift card on Valorant? In this video, you are going to learn how to use Apple gift card for Valorant. So let's get started. Currently, there is no option available where you can use Apple gift card or buy anything on Valorant with Apple gift card. Suppose if you bought a new Apple gift card and you want to buy Valorant points, how can you do that? So for that, you simply have to Google and then you have to search for Race Marketplace. So what is Race Marketplace? Race Marketplace is actually a website which allows you to resell your gift cards which you have bought, and if someone wants to buy the gift card, he will buy that from you and pay you in your bank account, which you can easily use to buy the games on Valorant. That's all. That's how you will be able to use Apple gift card for Valorant.